Financial potential and success tips for mushroom business. Mushroom farming is one of the most profitable agribusinesses due to its low startup cost, quick turnaround, and high market demand. With proper planning, even a small setup can grow into a thriving enterprise within months. This module explores the financial potential, beginner-friendly models, common pitfalls, and strategies for sustainable expansion in the mushroom business. Keycap 1 Profit Estimates and Growth Potential. Mushroom cultivation offers impressive returns compared to many traditional crops because mushrooms grow in small spaces using agricultural waste, e.g., sawdust, straw. Have short production cycles, 3 to 4 weeks for oyster mushrooms. Require minimal land and water, making them ideal for urban and rural entrepreneurs alike. Example profit estimate, small-scale farm. Startup cost, 200,000 to 300,000 Nigerian nairas, or $150 to $250. Yield per cycle, 100 to 120 kilograms of mushrooms. Selling price, 2,000 to 3,000 Nigerian nairas per kilogram, or $1.50 to $2.50. Gross revenue, 200,000 to 360,000 Nigerian nairas per month. Net profit, 100,000 to 150,000 Nigerian nairas per cycle. With scaling, training, and product diversification, e.g., mushroom powder, tea, or snacks, annual profits can exceed 2 Nigerian nairas to 5 million Nigerian nairas, $1,500 to $4,000, for small and medium operations. Growth potential. Demand is increasing globally due to the health and wellness movement. Restaurants, supermarkets, and pharmaceutical companies are major buyers. Export opportunities exist for dried or powdered mushrooms, especially in Asia, Europe, and North America. With consistent production and good branding, a small mushroom farm can grow into a national or international supplier within a few years. Keycap 2 Low-Cost Startup Models for Beginners. Starting small allows new farmers to learn the business while reducing risk. Here are affordable entry models. A. Home-based mini farm. Use a small room, shed, or unused corner in your compound. Grow 100 to 300 bags of oyster mushrooms using sawdust substrate. Requires minimal investment and can be run by one person. B. Cooperative or group model. Join forces with other farmers to share costs, spawn, bags, training. Helps access bulk discounts and shared equipment. C. Training plus starter kit model. Beginners can attend short courses and buy simple starter kits, spawn, bags, and manual. Reduces the learning curve and prevents costly mistakes. D. Gradual expansion model. Start with one variety, e.g., oyster, before adding button or shiitake mushrooms. Reinvest profits into better facilities and packaging tools. Start small, master the process, and scale gradually. This is the secret to long-term success. Keycap 3 Common Mistakes to Avoid in Mushroom Business. Even though mushroom farming is lucrative, some mistakes can lead to losses. Avoid these pitfalls. A. Poor hygiene and contamination. Not sterilizing substrates properly can lead to mold growth and crop failure. Always maintain cleanliness in your growing area. B. Wrong environmental conditions. Mushrooms need proper temperature, humidity, and ventilation. Too much heat or dryness can destroy yields. C. Lack of record keeping. Many farmers don't track expenses and income. Always keep detailed records for smart financial decisions. D. Ignoring marketing and branding. Growing mushrooms is not enough. Packaging, storytelling, and visibility matter. Use social media, partnerships, and attractive packaging to reach buyers. E. Expanding too fast without structure. Grow at a pace you can manage. Rapid expansion without proper systems can lead to burnout and financial strain. Success in mushroom farming is built on patience, precision, and persistence. Keycap 4 How to expand your business sustainably. Once you've mastered production and have consistent buyers, it's time to scale smartly. A. Reinvest profits. Use part of your earnings to buy better equipment, drying machines, or storage units. Invest in quality spawn production to reduce dependency on suppliers. B. Diversify your income streams. Offer training programs for beginners. Sell processed products like mushroom chips, teas, or powders. Become a supplier of spawn, bags, and racks. C. Build partnerships. Collaborate with restaurants, schools, and supermarkets. Join farmers' cooperatives or associations for access to grants and export markets. D. Focus on branding and online presence. Create a strong visual identity, logo, packaging, social media page. Build trust with customers through consistent quality and transparency. E. Practice environmental sustainability. Reuse agricultural waste as compost. Implement energy-efficient drying and storage systems. A sustainable mushroom business grows steadily, maintains quality, and keeps customers loyal. Summary. Mushroom farming offers incredible financial potential with low investment, fast returns, and global market opportunities. To succeed, start small and grow smartly. Maintain hygiene and keep proper records. Invest in branding, processing, and partnerships. Expand sustainably and reinvest profits wisely. Key takeaway. Mushroom farming is not just about growing fungi, it's about growing wealth, reputation, and sustainable success.